Hey guys, so in this video, I am going to show you where to get the softwares that we are going to need for this course. So you have ZBrush right here. Mostly our character is going to be done in ZBrush. And if we ever need to retopologize like later on, we are going to use Maya right here. And I'm going to show you how to retopologize the characters. And also we are going to use Photoshop right here to compile images for our reference later on, and also maybe creating a texture for our character. Now go ahead and go to ZBrush right here and copy the link. The way you are going to download this is press this orange button right here and fill everything that's in here, and make sure that you use a valid email address because Pixelogic is going to send you an email to where to download ZBrush directly and also all of your license. And after you filled everything out here, just go ahead and press try ZBrush and go ahead and go through the installment process of ZBrush. The next thing that we have here is Photoshop. Go to photoshop.com and you are going to press the free trial right here. Make sure that you are in Photoshop. So I'm going to press this one. And go ahead and click download. It's going to automatically show in your downloads folder after you download this. And go ahead and go through the installment process too. So the last software that we are going to need is Maya. If you have an account, go ahead and sign in. If you don't, create one. And after you've signed in, all this option is going to be available. Make sure you choose the version Maya 2018 because that is what I'm going to teach on. Operating system, either Windows or Mac, whichever one you are using, and language, I chose English. Alright? And after you fill all of that in, extra information will show here, and after that, just press install now and go through the installment process. So this is the three main softwares that we are going to use right now, but keep in mind that this course is currently a work in process, meaning that we are mainly going to create two characters, but at the same time, if a student requests that we make a certain character and it requires a baking of texture and all that stuff, I'm going to add an additional software and maybe teach you guys how to use that. But don't worry too much about that, and right now we are just going to create two characters. And if you already got the basic and everything is done for, and you want to learn new things, just request anything and send me a message, and we are going to up the complexity so you guys can learn different things. Alright, so this is all the softwares that you are going to need right now to create our first character. On the next video, I'm going to talk to you about where to find the right reference image, and I will expose you to various websites so that you can connect to other artists, and also you can use them into your own advantage, and also create your own library so that you can have your lifetime supply of reference image for future use. Alright, I'll see you on the next video.